Welcome back everyone. Thank you for visiting our channel. Today let's talk about Camping Survival 101, bear safety tips you need to know. Let's begin. One. What should I do if I encounter a bear while camping in the woods? Answer. Stay calm and do not run. Speak calmly to the bear to let it know you are a human. Slowly back away, making sure not to turn your back on the bear. If the bear approaches, try to make yourself look larger and continue to talk loudly. 2. How can I prevent bears from visiting my campsite? Answer. Store food in bear-proof containers or hang it from a tree at least 10 feet off the ground and 4 feet away from the trunk. Keep your campsite clean by disposing of trash properly and not leaving any food scraps around. 3. What types of bears might I encounter while camping in North America? Answer. The most common types of bears are black bears and grizzly bears. Black bears are typically smaller and more adaptable, while grizzly bears are larger and often more aggressive, especially when protecting their cubs. Four. Is it safe to cook near my tent? Answer. No, it is not safe to cook near your tent. Always cook at least 100 yards away from your sleeping area and store food away from your campsite to minimize the chance of attracting bears. Five. What signs might indicate a bear is nearby? Answer. Signs of bear activity include fresh tracks, claw marks on trees, overturned rocks, or scat that contains berries or hair. If you notice these signs, it's a good idea to be extra cautious and alert. 6. What should I do if a bear attacks? Answer. If a bear attacks, your response will depend on the type of bear. For a black bear, fight back with whatever you have, targeting its face and eyes. For a grizzly bear, play dead by lying flat on your stomach with your hands covering your neck. 7. Are bear deterrents-like sprays effective? Answer. Yes, bear deterrent sprays can be effective if used properly. It's advisable to carry it easily accessible and know how to use it before an encounter. However, it should be a last resort, and preventive measures should always be your first strategy. 8. What should I do if I hear a bear in the distance? Answer. If you hear a bear in the distance, remain calm and avoid approaching the sound. Make sure to secure your food and any attractants. If you're in your tent, stay inside and keep quiet until the noise subsides. If you are hiking, make noise to alert the bear of your presence and continue moving away. 9. Can bears smell food from a long distance? Answer. Yes, bears have an exceptional sense of smell and can detect food from several miles away. To prevent attracting bears, it's crucial to store all food and scented items properly, ideally in bear-proof containers or using bear safety practices when camping. 10. What time of year are bear encounters more likely? Answer. Bear encounters are generally more likely during spring and early summer when bears emerge from hibernation and are actively searching for food. During this time, it's especially important to follow bear safety precautions to minimize the risk of encounters. And there you have it. We hope you discover something interesting today about bear safety tips you need to know. Don't forget to click like and subscribe. Thank you for visiting our channel. Don't forget to visit our online merchandise shops. The link is in the channel description. Remember, learn something every day. Please check out our other videos. We will see you in the next one.